We are going to do a walkthrough of a Casadei K20 101 hot melt Edgebander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a Laguna labeled Casadei K20 101 hot melt Edgebander. It was used in a very small shop and was only used to band shelves. This is a very, very clean example of a K20 101. It trims the front and rear edge along with fine trimming of the top and bottom of your workpiece. It has a minimum panel thickness of 10 millimeters and a maximum panel thickness of 45 millimeters, while the feed runs at 6 meters a minute. This machine operates off of 220 volt 3-phase power.